Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Amba sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box below, and where not only are you going to find the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Amba sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for it. We're going to start out with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 ripe mango, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of apples of cider vinegar, juice of half a lemon, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, we're going to use our food processor, which we have is a NutriBullet. I'm just going to go ahead and put our mango in here with the water just to pulse this up because it takes up a lot of room. We've got other ingredients. So just pulse this down to where we can get everything else in it. Beautiful. All right. Now, Amba sauce comes from the Middle East. Could be Yemeni, could be Iraqi, could be Israeli. There's all kinds of different recipes out there, but mostly it's a mango sauce with some heat into it. So it's got a little bit of kick to it, but it's also kind of a sweet and savory as well. We've got our vinegar, we've got our salt, our cayenne. You can add more cayenne if you want. You got your cumin in there. Here's our garlic. We got our fenugreek, olive oil, and our lemon juice. Remember, everything is down in the description box for this recipe. And then the Dijon mustard will go in last. Then we're just gonna mix this up really well. There's the sauce right there. Then you're gonna wanna heat this through for 15 minutes to where it simmers really well. And then you wanna make sure that you let it cool properly to where it's all the way cool. Throw it into a container, seal it up, and it'll keep in your refrigerator. All right, well there it is. There's your Amba sauce. This is beautiful sauce. It stores well. So like I said, make sure it's cooled off properly before you seal it up and put it into your refrigerator. Fruity. It's got a little bit of tartness to it with the vinegar. A little bit of heat, but it's good on eggs, sandwiches. It would be good on fish, vegetables. I know it's good on falafel. I have tried it with falafel and ceviche. So this is a very good recipe. I hope you take a notice and give it a try. So thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to share this with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.